Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family. Today I got a case of the Fast and Furious. Finally. I ordered this case over a month ago. Did not realize it was pre-ordered from A&J Toys. And until I paid for it, I did not realize it was a pre-order or out of stock or whatever. So I've been waiting and waiting. Kept seeing people posting these and that they were finding them already, and I was really hoping to get it before people started finding it, but whatever. Awesome set here. So we get two of every car. So first one, we got the Dodge Charger in flat black. Look at the back of it. Get to see what cars are in the set. And I wanted every car in this set, so I thought it'd be easier to just snag the whole set. I thought it'd be easier just to order a case. The next one, which is my favorite from the case, Mitsubishi Eclipse. One I missed the first time it was out, and I think it sells for around $50. I think the only difference is a set of rims on it, so. Lamely showed both of them, and this one looked a little better side by side. But I know I do not have the original, so I'm very happy to have that. Very happy to have this one in flat black. It's hard to pick a favorite out of this set. Really, really hard to. So far, the first two are my favorites, both of them. Then we have this for the Burgundy car collection, a W Motors Lykan HyperSport in like a burgundy color. Very, very limited car in real life. I think they only made like 4 of them or 10 of them or something crazy like that. Not very many. I think this is a second release of it from Hotwheels. Man, that thing looks awesome. That will definitely be my Fast and Furious display when I finish it. Then the next one, which I'm sure a lot of people are going to be hoarding, and it probably is a fan favorite, I bet. Or not, because there's a lot of good ones in this. I like them all, so that's why I picked it up. I don't pick up many releases. So we got the 92 Ford Mustang, which looks really awesome. I love to have the RLC release of it. That I think it came out in white. But definitely happy to have it in this color. Looks more green in real life than on video. It's coming out blue. It really does look a lot more green in real life than blue. Not sure why my camera does that sometimes with the colors. Has a tough time, like it's colorblind or something. And the last one from this 5-car set, which might be my favorite, is a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Not so much for it being a Trackhawk, just for it being a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm really glad they did this. I know a lot of people are getting sick of the Fast and Furious, and I hate to agree with Langley, but I absolutely agree with him. If it wasn't for the funding and all the money that they dump into the Fast and Furious line, then we wouldn't have a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk right here. This casting would not exist. The Mustang might. Yeah, I know it would. It was already a RLC release before Fast and Furious when it came out in the burgundy color, which sells for crazy money, which I'll never have in the collection, but we probably would have never got this. The Lykan. Probably would have never got this. We sure in the hell wouldn't have had so many awesome releases of this. Probably wouldn't have had this at all. Definitely not with the motor in the back, but really don't care for that. But there are a lot of castings and toolings that came from the Fast and Furious line or started in the Fast and Furious line that was funded by Fast and Furious. So you know what? You're going to keep coming out with awesome toolings like this. Keep releasing them. Because I'll keep buying them. And I'm not the only one. So, I didn't show a whole lot of the card art, I don't think. But really awesome card art on these. I don't really care to have a set carded, so the whole set will be up for trade or for sale. I just need one loose set for the collection. I cannot decide a favorite. If you guys can decide a favorite, comment down below which one's your favorite. I love them all. I think this is one badass Fast and Furious release. One of the best. Well, let me know what you guys are finding. And have an awesome day.